welcome.
Amen.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Please be seated. We're facing a critical delay with supplier Z operation. What is the situation?
They experiencing product issue. We explore alternative supply. Supplies A is a viable option.
You, what the cost difference?
A marginal increase of 3%.
Approve. Supplier A operation. Please finalize the contact. Thank you. First, I welcome. We're facing a critical delay.
Ay, sumusuro to. Ha? Alright? Susunod. Eh, wala. Sige, susunod.
Mamia.
Alternative supply. Supplies A